Oh, hey, Tate.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Not much. What are you up to?
Just heading to class.
Cool. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions real quick?
Sure, hit me.
Cool. So, first, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm a senior communications major from Chucktown, South Carolina. I concentrate in broadcast and minor in photography.
Awesome. So, being a senior, what is your favorite memory from college so far?
Ooh, it would definitely have to be meeting Michelle Williams from The Destiny's Child. She was a guest speaker for an event a couple years ago, and she signed my vinyl afterwards.
No way.
I know, it was pretty cool.
Definitely. So, what is some advice that you give to freshmen?
Definitely pay attention to the people in the positions that you want to be in. You can learn a lot from your peers who are upperclassmen. That's what I did.
Cool. What do you do in your free time?
Well, on my free time, I consume way too much media, whether that's YouTube or music. But outside of that, I really like to thrift, collect vinyl, and do photography.
What's the best vinyl?
Control by SZA, absolutely. That album changed my life.
So what brought you to Winthrop?
Definitely the minority leadership that we have here. A lot of student organizations are very diverse, and it just makes me more comfortable in knowing that there's people like me making choices for me.
Awesome.
But hey, I actually have to get to class. Do you want to come?
Oh, for sure.
Come on.
Cool. So what is this class?
Advanced Broadcast Television. It's where we shoot Winthrop Close Up. Hey, Isaac, is the teleprompter working?
It's ready.
Good news.
So, what exactly is Winthrop Close Up?
Well, it's a student-led broadcast program where we all cover independent stories around campus and the community.
Nice. So you said this thing is student-led.
Mm-hmm.
How do you guys make this thing work?
Oh, we just follow the syllabus. Duh. Just kidding. It's actually a lot of hard work, but outside of our stories, we each take on different roles that help the show run more smoothly. So we have the VR decks, audio, teleprompter, and social media, which is what I do.
Cool. What's the Instagram?
Winthrop Close Up Official. You should check it out. Leave a like or two.
I'll definitely give it a follow. So what's your favorite role when shooting this show?
Well, I typically like to do things for social media, but outside of that, thank you, ladies. I like to floor direct, which kind of helps communication between the studio and the set, and it helps direct our talents.
Cool. Has this class given you an experience in what you want to do in the future?
Oh, absolutely. We're given a lot of creative independence, which kind of helps us craft the portfolios that we need for the careers that we want. So it's a perfect opportunity for us.
Cool. Have you learned anything from this class that you did not expect to learn?
Absolutely. Honestly, our teachers did a really good job emulating what the broadcast lifestyle is like. So we all know what it'll be like whenever we graduate, and we already know what to expect.
What's the best part about this class?
Definitely getting to network with the people in your community because you never know who you'll meet. For example, one of my best friends was from a random interview that I did freshman year.
Nice.
But we actually have to get rolling soon, so I'll have to let you go.
For sure, I'll get out of y'all's way. But one last question before you go.
Sure.
What's one word that would describe your Winthrop experience?
Impactful.
Awesome. Thanks, Tate.
All right, ready in the studio? Roll red, mic and cue.